everyone, and welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? I'm a little tongue-tied and I haven't had a drink. Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I do hope things get better. On today's episode of Sandy-MMVKBKWU presents No, not Ipsy. I thought it was Ipsy when I went and I looked, and I was like, no, not Ipsy. Anyways, this is, I'll show you right now. This was sent to me for review. This is a brand new subscription to me. So this is called EmbeLashes. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. This is a monthly subscription plan for lashes. And I believe if you use the link down below, you will get a free bottle of eyelash glue. Did I say eyelash? Eyelash glue in your first month when you subscribe. So EmbeLash adhesive. I have not opened it. I wanted to open it so I could smell it. Anyways, this is an eyelash subscription. They have 3 different subscription plans for you. So, you know, if you want to try them out, they're all monthly and they all renew automatically until you decide to cancel. I want to smell eyelash glue because, like with duo eyelash glue, smells like fish. I don't know what this smells like. Don't smell like fish though. What's in here? It doesn't say. It just says avoid contact with eyes. So don't put it inside your eye. Let's see. Tacky. Oh yeah, it gets tacky quick. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you get your subscription. You get 2 pairs of eyelash. So it depends on what you decide. So there is 3 different tiers. There's a $15 eyelash subscription with just 2 pairs of eyelashes. All their eyelashes are handmade and they are all cruelty-free lashes. So this is what it would look like if you decide to get the starter set, which is the 2 lashes. And then there is the Lash Lover, which is 4 sets of lashes, and that one is $25. And then there is Lash Babe, sorry. So the starter set is 2 sets of lashes. Lash Lover is 4 sets of lashes, and Lash Babe is 6 lash sets. So, you know, hey, what if you want, and the first month that you sign up, you get eyelash glue. But I will double check that. I will verify and I will list it down in the description box down below. But I will have a link down below. So if you want to get started on your lashes, maybe you just want to just do 1 month and then cancel. That's quite all right. Or maybe you want to do a couple months and then cancel, because every month you'll get a different set of lashes. Or maybe you want to go, maybe you got a bestie or a girlfriend or sister or brother or aunt, uncle, whatever, that like to put on lashes as well. Maybe you can go a little halvesies on a set. Maybe you get the Lash Babe, which is $35. It's 6 sets of lashes. You could split that up, pay $17.50 a piece, and you get 3 pair and they get 3 pair. So it's up to you. So I got in this set Rain and Dreamy. Oh, these are actually very nice. Handmade luxury lashes. I love it. It says 3 easy steps to apply lashes. 1, perfect fit. So of course you align your lashes and cut if you have to. Perfect stick. Apply a thin layer of lash glue across the lash band. Let dry for 30 seconds. And then the perfect look. Apply lashes by pressing on band until securely sticks into place. And lashes are reusable up to 30 times with proper care. Awesome. So, and I love that they come in plastic boxes. So let's see, this one is called Rain. These are nice. Come in plastic, and it comes in a nice plastic. Oh, this is fancy. It slides open so you get your lashes out. I actually like that a lot. So for those of you that know, I love me some lashes. And then this is called Dreamy. Oh, these are really nice. I like these a lot. And you know, for $15 for 2 sets of handmade luxury lashes, that's not bad at all, considering that I paid a lot more money, almost about the same amount for 1 pair of lashes from another company, and then I didn't really like them. That's this pair. And I know a lot of you are like gonna be, well, I can get lashes at such and such, or I can get, but there's a lot of people that don't have an Ulta close by, don't have a Sephora close by. And this is fun. You get 2 sets of, and it comes nicely packaged. Well, I took them out of the bags, but it comes in this, and it comes inside of that pink bag that looks like an Ipsy bag. And this is what you get with 2 sets. $15 comes directly to your door. Every month you'll get a different set of pair of lashes, Jesus. A two pair of lashes for $15. And then, you know, if you want to get it for 2-3 months and then say, you know what, I'm gonna stop, I got 6 pair of lashes, that's it. If you do that, that's $45. But if you get the 6 pair of lashes in 1 month, that's $35. And then you can say, you know what, I'm gonna try these out for a hot minute, and then if, you know, maybe I'll try these out, and if I like them, I'll get another month. If not, I'll cancel and get another couple lashes down the line. That's good too. But of course, it is a subscription plan. You'll get automatically charged, so you know, if you don't want to get charged, don't forget to cancel. Like I said, the 2 pair of lashes subscription is $15. If you want 4 pair of lashes, that's $25. And if you want 6 pair of lashes, that's $35. And like I said, if you got some friends that you know want to hook up, cut the bill in half, whatever, and share the lashes every month, that's a good thing too. So there you go, EmbeLashes. I'm gonna be trying these out in my next video when I do my look, because I'm gonna be shopping my stash, y'all, because I got lots of stuff back there that I need to start using. And I cleaned up my beauty room and I've organized a lot of stuff, and yeah, I'm trying to get everything out. You know what, when I put the glue, it's very, very sticky. I like it. Normally the dual eyelash glue that I've been using lately has not been tacky, but this one's nice and tacky. And like I said, I believe they said that if you get the first month, you get your first eyelash, why do I keep saying lash? What the hell's wrong with me? Eyelash glue. I'm trying to put that glue and lash together in there. Eyelash glue for free. So you'll get 1 bottle of this for free the first month to go along with your lashes, and then every month after that, I don't think you'll get the lash glue. You'll just keep getting lashes. So that's it. Let me know what you think down below, if this is something you would get. I mean, it doesn't hurt to try it out, see if it's your thing. There are a lot of lashes out there. There's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. And if maybe you'll find the set that really complements you or really complements your look, and that's the lash that you'll continue to buy. And you could be like, you know what, I don't want, this is the lash for me. But it's a great opportunity. Again, 2 pair of lashes for $15. That's the starter. Then there's the Lash Lover, which is 4 lashes, and that's $25. And then there's the Lash Babe for $6. Let me read something on here. It says, our lashes are handmade and are made of the most high quality material on the market. We offer hundreds of styles and only offer cruelty-free lashes. So, like I said, a lot of us don't have stores nearby that we could just go say, you know what, I'm just gonna go pick up some lashes. And before you know it, you're spending your gas money, your time, all that just to go find some lashes, when you can just have them delivered straight to your door and no need to worry about your lashes. You'll be like, oh, I got some lashes coming, I don't have to worry about it. And you know, you want to share them, cut the cost in half and share your lashes, and that's it. So I will be wearing these in my next videos. I'll be doing some get ready with me. We're gonna try these out. I didn't put them on today because I have to size them, cut them, and all that. And I'll be honest, I had a long day at work today, and then it rained and I drove in the rain, and that was horrible. Then I came home and put on my makeup and I hated it. So that's it. And you know what? And y'all get excited because you'll see this and you'll think it's Ipsy and it's EmbeLashes. Now that's it. That's all I have for you right now is EmbeLashes. It is a monthly subscription. Try them out. I will link everything down below and let me know what you think of the lashes. And until next time, hasta laterz.